From the first moment I saw you.
Hey guys, Eric here in the community garden. We are doing a very quick video on harvesting potatoes today. It's very quick to the point. These potatoes were growing here in this bed here, the second middle bed, for about maybe 5 months. March, April, May, June, under 5 months. The potatoes that we harvested, it was a small harvest today, even though we had I think we roughly had 4 to 5 plants. They all did not do as well as I'd hoped, but they did provide a harvest nonetheless. Before we get into today's video, make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to click the notification bell in the top left or right of your corner, the corner of your screen, to be notified when we drop new videos, which is every single week. Yeah, we planted some peppers in the place of the potatoes and the cucumber, and we put in some marigold flowers as well. So I know this is a short video, but we hope you guys enjoy the video. I've noticed a lot of grubs in the soil so far. I'm not sure why. And it looks like they've like kind of started to eat the roots of the potatoes, but it's fine because they were ready to be harvested anyway. I've noticed the potatoes are not that big. Like, they're a nice size, but in terms of potatoes that I've harvested before, these are not that humongous. But it's a decent size harvest for what we had planted. Got these buddies here. See, these didn't dig all the way in the soil like they normally do, but this is what we got. And I believe these are like a russet potato. A mixture of peppers, tomatoes, and tomatillos for this part of the row where the potatoes were. We're not gonna put all of them here. I don't want them to get too overcrowded. I'm just gonna put a few. I think I'm gonna focus on the peppers for now. We have a lot of tomatoes here in the garden. And on yesterday, Sunday, I did put in some tomatillos over here in that row. So I think we're gonna just focus on peppers. And I do have a dragon egg cucumber plant, so I'm gonna put that here too. Put some black cow manure down for the plants, as well as feed them with some blood meal and fertilizer, so they should be good to go. Hopefully they do well. I may eventually need to get some beneficial nematodes to reduce the amount of grubs that we have in the row, because I really don't want the grubs to interfere with the health of the plants. Because if you didn't know, grubs eat the roots of your plants. And you know that's how plants drink and pass along nutrients through their roots. So if they don't have enough roots for proper development, you won't get a good harvest. All right, guys, that's the video for today. Again, follow us, subscribe to our channel, follow our social media accounts, and you can watch the playlist here that will take you to other videos where we're talking about growing potatoes and other plants in the family called nightshades. Okay, thank you for watching, and we will see you all later in the garden. Bye.